How are you? Thank you. Okay. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome once again to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you guys are good and fine. So basically right now, I'm going out to actually print some stuff. You know, I got admission, guys, at UniKL. Okay, if you guys want to know about the admission stuff and the process and everything, just let me know in the comment section below. So I'm actually doing registration now. So I want to print some documents, so I have to go out, right? Because I don't have a printer. So I was like, okay, let me just use the opportunity and make a content for you guys. So I'm just not very far because now you cannot go more than 10 kilometers, okay? Except you want to use some common sense, you know? So, but now I want to go and look for a printing shop. There's one not far from where I am currently, so I'm going there. I'll print some documents that I need to scan and do all those registration stuff. Then I think I will try to look for something cold to take because, man, look at the sun in Malaysia now. It's very, very hot, guys. Like very, very hot. And you cannot imagine wearing masks inside this hot sun, right? It's that critical. So anyways, let me go and try to get the printing job done. And I will see you guys. Let me know, guys, how is the movement of this thing? Honestly, it's really giving me tough time because, you know, this tilting of a thing, I don't understand what's happening. Okay, guys, so I just got to the place now. The printing shop. Actually, luckily, there's one very close to me. So I just want to go inside now. Yeah, that's the surrounding you guys can see outside, just nearby my side. I mean, it's the walkway basically. So let me go inside. To smell? What to do? Okay, I need to scan, right? Okay. Corona situation now is serious, guys. So you just have to do everything. Even the small shops, they ensure that everything is done. So sometimes we forget, basically. There to remind us. So yeah, I need to scan also. Okay, that one is the one I usually use very well. So the other one did not work, but this one it works perfectly. So I want to print. I want to print some stuff. I will give you the document. How much is your printing? Okay. 10 cents and color this one ringgit.
Hi.
Hi. You want to come
I
inside?
remember you.
Me?
Video.
Wait, somebody say he remembers me here.
Yeah.
You remember me the day I did the burger video? Oh, okay.
I see your
YouTube channel.
YouTube.
Wow, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. So normally it's just a simple process. You just come and try to do all the whatever here. Okay. So I have my flash drive. This is how the processes are now because everything is online and at home, you know, stuff like that. So let me just show you guys. I'll take you along briefly. Okay, so that's the system. I just have to, honestly, I'm trying to still manage this thing, you know. So this is my flash. So I will just put it, I think, somewhere here. Normally we're supposed to do all these things in the school if the MCO was not there, you know. So how to check? Now, I think I'll go to computer. That's my flash. So yeah, this one. If you guys cannot see, just don't worry, okay, it will soon come out. I think, okay, yeah, registration stuff. So this one, I need this addendum, whatever they said I need to submit this addendum stuff. Are you guys even hearing me? So I need to print this and scan, basically. So let me see. Okay. I can print, huh?
You want black and
Black,
white?
yes, black and white.
Then you want one side or two side? This one
No,
page.
no,
One side.
one side. It's
Okay.
just one page.
Give me.
Print, eh?
Yeah.
Then I have other ones also. Okay, guys, so everything is okay and it's actually very affordable. I think, how many copies everything? How many copies?
One ringgit.
Yeah. Everything, how many copies?
10 page.
10 pages.
Yeah.
So, guys, 10 pages, all these 10 pages is 1 ringgit only.
Yeah.
So, it's very cheap. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Terima kasih. Okay. So, everything like this, guys, is just 1 ringgit. I'll put the price in dollars. So, it's actually very affordable. So, yeah, I have more than, I think, 10 copies or something here. So, I'll just go now, scan some of the stuff and submit online to them back home, okay? But before I go back home, I will just go around this side and greet one of my friends there and get maybe a cold drink because I'm really sweating now, guys. So catch you guys there on the way. Okay, guys, so I'm just moving now from that place. I'm trying to get something cold, okay, just in the front side. Honestly, I don't understand this camera. I'm just trying to get used to it. So you can see the road is actually very, very quiet. Okay, very quiet. Not normally this place, even though it's like a walk, I mean, it's like an estate. Is it estate park? Not main road, but you won't see so much cars. I mean, you will be seeing cars moving, sorry, you know, because there is the express road at the other side, which leads out from here. So, but because of the current situation, you know, everywhere is just quiet. All these cars are like mostly residents, you know, because people live around this area. So I guess some of them are the ones that park their cars like this. And guys, let me show you something. Do you know that this building, let me show you guys this building very quickly. I don't know if you guys were following through when I was sharing about the building. Okay, before I go and see that, my friend, I know that they will be wondering now. Let me show you guys this building very quickly. The sun is still much. Can you guys see? Can you guys see the condo? It's ready already. Oh. Look at that. It's ready to move in by 2021. Can you see that? This is so amazing. So yeah, it's really good. Let me come and see this, guys. Okay, restaurants are open actually, but you know, the process of restaurant now, you have to, this guy always smoking. You have to do all the normal processes. Let me show. How are you? I'm coming to your side. How are you? I go to this guy. What's up? Smoking every time, this guy. Let me show you guys my friends here. Honestly, I don't understand what's happening with this thing. So look at this guy. It's my friend. Hey, look, La. Where are you? He doesn't want to show his face because he's smoking now. He's always smoking. So I've told him to stop. It's not good. Say hi, La. Hey. He's busy.
Hi.
Uh-huh. You see how he said it with all his power. So this is my local shop where I used to come and buy stuff, basically. Yeah, they sell all the wet things, you know, the bananas, the tomatoes, everything. And they also sell other stuff like bread, you know, house food stuff and all those kind of things. Yeah, not so many foodstuffs like that, but the basic things you need, they are selling it here around section 17. So I'll just get a cold drink from there. And yeah, I buy my chicken here. The things I used to make soup and all those stuff, basically, I get it here from their shop. Okay. So they are just so funny. See this guy. How are you? You fine?
I am fine.
Fine.
Fine today. Yeah.
You always taking.
Oh.
I said this guy stop. It's not good.
No
Eh?
smoking, no life.
No smoking, no life.
Yeah.
No lie. Stop, eh? Stop, so that your body not black.
No.
Your chest already black. What color of your chest?
No.
I told him his chest is black because he smokes every time. So I hope he's going to stop.
Stop racism.
Okay, guys, so let me go inside. You know, sometimes you just have to walk around and get some fresh air. So this is where I do my own. So let's go. They have bread. Let me show you what they have. Okay, let me just take a quick tour of their shop. I think that's what is going to be the title of this video, sir. So can you guys see? This is like bread and all those things. They have everything here, you know. And yeah, let's go inside. So I don't know if you guys can see all their stuff. You can see he has the what do you call it, noodles. Some of you said I should try noodles or whatever. I don't really understand. How are you? That's the boss. Before I go, so this is their fridge side. Okay, they have so many drinks and all that. You can see. So it's a 360 of the shop. I just show you guys around. Noodles and everything you need. Let's go. Can you see that? Amazing. All the drinks, all the stuff to that deep side there. Okay. And they have rice, they have all those ones. Okay. So let's proceed. Okay. So how are you, sir? How is today people come to buy? Many people you see. Normal business. Oh, okay. So guys, he said business is normal. So even here you can see this is still there. They still try to ensure that things are okay. And this is just in the neighborhood, right? So they have eggs, they have all these things. This is like section 17. Actually, you can see his shop. They have toothbrush, all those wonderful, wonderful things. Then let's go like this. Biscuits, sugar. You can see sugar down there. Can you even see the sugar showing you? Okay. Everything. If you want to buy rice if you want to buy rice in like cups, they have it. Basically like just a local shop. So yeah, look at some stuffs. They have milk, they have tea, different kind of tea. Yeah, everything is just amazing. I think they are balanced if you ask me. Yeah, all the things you may need, you want to get in the supermarket, you can get it here. Yeah, the basic ones. But of course, you know, the pricing is not bad actually. I used to shop with them. So they have all the things, everything basically. So let's go to the other side. Oh, I think that's the last side. Okay. Here he has cream, right? This one is cream. Oil, cream, all those things. So you guys can get it here. Okay. All the basic things, perfume, everything, hair cream, all that, oil, soap, toothpaste, soaps, different kinds of soaps. Okay, let me show you up a little bit. You can see, right? Okay, even Pampers. I saw children Pampers up there. Can you guys see that? So I think he's good. He has a lot of things. They have toothbrush also, and Vaseline, cream. What else? I see different versions, and you have washing soap. Okay, washing soap, washing clothes, and washing plates are all here. Okay, show you guys. Can you see? Okay. Okay, and here you have milk. I think children milk or something like that, you know, and Cerelac, all those things. So everything is here basically. I could just say they have tin tomatoes and different kinds of other mixtures, maybe for sambal or something. I think so. You can see these tomatoes, all those stuff. They have sardine. Okay, everything is here. Everything is here. Coffee, Milo. They have Milo. They have this one is oats. I think I'm going to buy this oats. It has been long I took it, but I actually like it. So I may buy. This one is in sachet. Sachet inside. Really? I didn't know that there's oats with sachet. Okay, there's the tin, but which one do I prefer actually? Actually, of course, the oats. This one may be cheaper. Yeah, 5 ringgit 90 cents with sachets. I've never seen oat with sachet. But this one, The big one is definitely, see, 11:30. Oosh, 11:30. This one is 15 sachets, 11.50. Okay, and this one is 11:30. I think I'll buy the tin. What do you guys think? Is better, right? Yeah. I have milk, so that's okay. So 11:30. These people are coming to buy. People are coming inside small. It's like house residents or something like that, basically. They're coming to buy. Okay. So this one, 11:30. Oh, I think I need one drink. One drink. When expiry? Still far?
17, 10, 21.
Okay. So let me get a drink, guys, because I'm sweating. There's one isonic drink I usually take. I think I like the drink. It's an isonic drink, basically. Okay, so there's an isonic drink I usually get. Isotonic drink, basically. And it's very, very good. It cools the brain. It cools so much. Very nice, this one. You guys know? 100 plus. We also have another one, they call it Revive. But I prefer the 100 plus, actually. So I'll get one. And, okay. So everything.
17 only.
17. Wow. 17. This one, is it not 11? Huh? This one 11, right?
15.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Terima kasih.
Okay, sama.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, I think I'm done after a lot of struggles. I will come another day to review the restaurant. How are you? You. Say bye-bye. Okay. So I'll come another day to review. There's a restaurant just nearby here. How are you? And yeah, I'm coming to buy food later. Okay, I will come later and buy food here. Okay, so you guys open till 10, right? You open till 10. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. So I will come back and buy food there and show you guys how we do the MCO buying of food. Now, you can still buy food, but it just has some processes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. This has been a very challenging video because I'm just using this gimbal for the first time. I have to go and watch some YouTube videos again and understand how the thing is. But I hope the video was not too scattered. At least, was it better than when I was using the manual one? Let me know in the comment section below. Till I see you next time, stay positive, stay safe. Don't let anybody steal your joy. The sun is so hot here in Malaysia at this afternoon time. So I need to run to my house now. Catch you guys. Much love and God bless you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.